Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Liz. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing. You'll know by the title what it is. Sorry, I look exactly the same as I do in my other video. That's either before or after this. But when I was filming that, this came and I'm so excited. So, oh gosh, I hope you didn't see my address. From Beauty Bay, so I am gonna open it now.
And this is like a review of the product, like first impressions and of Beauty Bay packaging stuff. So it says, thank you for shopping with Beauty Bay. I love Beauty Bay because they are like a brand, not like a brand, yeah, like a brand based in Manchester, and I live in Manchester. So I'm very, very, very proud. How do I open this? There we go. Oh, this is just a thing to say what you've ordered. Oh, this is just came out. Interesting. Get it out. So it's like taped in bubble wrap. Oh my goodness, I have a mirror. Oh my goodness, I'm scared to rip it. Oh, sorry. Open it. I can't open it. Ah, there we go.
Oh my god. Ah. Very, very heavy. It's very heavy and beautiful, and the packaging is incredible. I'll do close-ups. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's try it on. Wait. I'm really sad I've got a cold. The smell. Oh, it clicks. So you definitely know that it's closed. The smell is weird. I don't know how to describe it. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice applicator. A lot of product has come off, so I've wiped it. So let's try it out. Ew. Sorry, I've got that dry skin. I get really dry lips. I really like this applicator. It feels so nice on the lips. Like, it's not dry yet, but it feels like really, even though it's thin, it feels really, really nice. So nice. Oh, I love it. Ignore the dry bits, but oh, I love it. The smell is like you can like taste it, but not really taste it, if that makes sense. It feels like it's drying down now. Here it is. I love the colour of it. So this is my quick first impressions of the Jeffree Celebrity Skin. I would 100% recommend it. I got it from Beauty Bay for £16 and it was so good, and it came like in a day. It came in a day. It was so good. Love it. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all of the usual stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.